Right, just a quick 4 or 5 minute video just to show you one of the things that you might be missing in Bridge. Now, some people send or create a gallery to show their clients the images that they're recommending for printouts or keeping or whatever. And it's quite an elaborate way some people doing it in Dropbox and sending links and various things. There's something inbuilt already. I'm sorry I keep moving the screen. There's something inbuilt already in Bridge which you might not know about, so we're just going to quickly show you what this is. My screen may freeze or go a little bit slow because I've got a screen recorder going here. Hopefully it will not treat Camtasia as a recorder. It's high usage of my computer's memory, so it may be a little bit slow. But anyway, when you're on your gallery of your clients' images, select the ones that you think they're going to like. So I'm going to select 6. Well, select 9. So 1, 2, 3, and let's come down a little bit. 3, we've got 3. We want another 6 or so. Let's go to the bottom of the page. I know there's some that I've already edited down here. We'll say macro portrait. There's 4. And you get a preview up here to the right hand side to show you what you've already selected, so I don't want to select any of the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want another couple of these, so just going to take a couple of random ones from the middle of the image. And there's another one. That's 6. 6, and we'll say 7, 8, and number 9. Okay, right, I selected 9 pictures, just because I want to show you in 3-page layout. So you can now let go control. Actually, the way, just in case I didn't say at the start, right, you hold control and just click the individual picture that you want. Keep your finger on control the whole time, and then single clicking, left clicking all the images you want to add. So there's the 9 up here. Letting go of control now, and I'm going over to output. And this is only in Bridge I'm at the moment. I've got Photoshop open, but it doesn't need to be open. You only need to be in Bridge. So I'll go up to output, left click that. This is one I did earlier, so we're just going to delete that one as we go through it. One of the things that this does, it retains your setting from the last time you've used it, so the next time you go into it, whatever you did last will still be there. When you come into this output screen, this will be essentially going to be blank. I don't want to refresh it, or it's going to actually create what we're going to do here. So you've got 2 options here: web gallery or PDF. Now, if you've got a web gallery, this is where you can set some of the settings and upload a whole gallery up into your own website. I'm not going to concentrate on that just now. We're just going to go to this one here, PDF. It's refreshed it now. That's the 9 images we're working with here. We'll start from scratch. You've got choices, some templates, a greeting card, contact sheets, various contact sheets. We're going to stick with custom, and custom really just lets you do all the settings yourself. And as I say, the next time you go into it, all the settings you chose this time will still be there for the next time. So if you're going to be doing something fairly regular, then that's fine. So going to custom, got a choice of paper. You can take custom sizes, custom photo sizes. It'll if you choose photo, it's going to give you various photo size options. I'm for this one just going to stick with international paper. And international paper gives you A4 as a default, but you can choose again various paper sizes. At this time, it's only PDFs I'm going to display on somebody's screen rather than have them print it out. And I'll show you how I'm going to ensure that that's the case. When you select your international paper, it gives you a default PPI, pixels per inch, of 300, and that's quite high quality. We're not wanting 300, we want to reduce it so that if anyone does manage to print it out, they're not printing out good quality images, which you would explain in your email to them. So change that to 72 ppi, and we can make it good quality 72 ppi, or we can have reduced quality, but it's always going to be 72 ppi, and that gives you the most sharp version of it. Choose a background. Most of my images have white and black, white and black, white and black, some other colours. These look pretty good in my opinion on a black background, but you've got some presets in here, or if you just click the colour square, you get the option to pick whatever colour you want as your background. So I'm going to pick the black one. This bit here, I'm just going to clear this just now and show you something. Again, it had a password in there from previous. Now, if you want to disable printing, which you should be disabling printing if you're sending them, you don't want people printing out your images, you need to disable it. The only way you can disable it is by having a password permission. As soon as you check that, you get the option to disable printing. I always think if you've got a password option, put one in. I'm just going to put in 111. It could be anything you want, or you can leave it blank. If you don't check this button, you don't get the option to disable the printing. So I'm going to go with that one. Further down the page now you get more options. Layout is for the next one we'll look at. I'm going to go for 1 column by 3. If you just look at this section here, that's 1 column by 3. And if you look at the middle, that's 1 column by 3. And if you look at this, you can have your layout, choose whatever you want. I might have 9 on one page, I might have 5. Adobe's going to work out the best layout. I prefer to do 1 by 3, and I know that everything's going to go on the page that I put on the page. You can pick your spacing. Go and check that. You can pick where you want them, like margins in from the edge of the page. I'm just going to use auto spacing, but if you wanted specific layouts, you could do that yourself. If you check rotate for best fit, it may well put something that you've taken in landscape. It may try and turn it into portrait. If you check that one, I won't. So we'll just leave that blank, and we'll leave the repeat 1 photo per page blank. The next one is overlays. Get the option, you have the file name or the extension. Now the file name in here is just Forumigos small, and this one here is called brother and sister. If I decide no file name, none of that will print underneath there. If I do file name and extension, it will do forumigos.jpg or .raw file, or I think I've got a TIFF file in here. It's like you'll get the whole extension. So I'll leave that blank. I'll leave the file name on, because if you're sending a contact sheet or whatever to a client and you want them to pick an image, you may well have this numbered, or you can kind of choose yourself. If you're having the file name shown, remember my background is going to be black, so the colour of the font will need to be something that can be seen on black. So I've changed it to white. You can change the size of the file name. I've left it at 10 point. Page number again. There's no point having a page number and leaving it black on a black background. We'll have to change that to white. Do it here, or cancel that. Just select the preset in the drop down, which is white. Oops. If you use the scroll wheel on your mouse, so you can quickly just scroll through all the colour that's in there for one you might want. Leave that black, sorry, white, and go up to the next part. Add a header to the right. Well, there's my header there, and you can choose where it's going to be on your page. Let's make it centre. Again, it's white font because we have that black background. There's no divider. next one, we've not got a footer in, so we'll just leave that. Playback. I've got it open in full screen mode, which is it's going to open in full screen mode on your recipient computer. They'll get a little box at saying Adobe's trying to open in full screen mode, which we'll see in a second. And it'll advance through your pages after 5 seconds, and then loop after the last page. It'll go from page 3 in our case back to page 1 and just keep looping through it. You can have transitions. You can have the pages fade in, dissolve in, whatever you choose. I'm not going to bother with anything like that. But if you do decide to take one of them, you can then pick how fast and from what direction different flyers will come in. Now, watermark, a lot of people like a watermark. Add watermark needs to be checked. Once you check it, you get different options. Foreground or background is where your watermark's going to be. The important one is your text. Now just www.pet. That's what I would have, something like that. I think I've spelled that correct. My spelling's terrible. You decide what size you want that. You can have it, you don't want that to be the only thing. Make it 25 pixels to start with. Again, the colour, choose your colour. I'm going to have it grey, and at the moment I'll keep the opacity to 100%. Now, once you've done all that, click on the preview, this button up here, refresh preview, and see what it's done. Now, you may decide that's far too big. It's actually bigger than the sum of the images, so let's change that. We'll make the size just about 10. We'll make it 12, and we'll drop the opacity of it down to about 50%, so it's there. We'll make it 50, sorry, it's my. And then we'll refresh the preview again. And that's better, it's there, nobody's going to be able to print that. You can change where this comes from. You may want it up near the top of your page. Let's, at the moment it's 50%. H offset and B offset is horizontal offset or vertical offset. Horizontal, let's make it minus 0% is right in the middle. So let's say we'll make it minus 25%. And refresh. And you'll see it's moved horizontally further along to the left. And vertical will make it minus 25%. And just try to make sure that you can see this so that it stays on black. You'll see this one here, right smack bang in the middle of the vertical. It's in the middle. If we refresh it again, you'll see it's dropped down a bit. So you can choose where these are going to go. I prefer just to keep them 0. They're smack in the middle then. And opacity around about the 50%. Again, we're going to refresh this. Excuse me. So when you're happy with everything there, now go back up to the file names. Do we really want file names showing? Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Again, you could go back up to the file names. Again, we'll add the extension, have a look, see what it looks like. And you'll see the file extension, or have none, take file name off altogether. But there you would have some kind of difficulty in your client seeing any names that if you want to buy that middle one, you say, oh, page 1, the middle one. So file names are obviously essential if you're wanting a client to pick up. So it's worth naming your images, even if you just named them a number, image number 1, image number 2, image number 3, etc, etc. So there you go. Once you've done all that, click save. Once you've created one that you're happy with, click save. Save it to my desktop, and we'll call it my pups. And one I created earlier, so this is going to overwrite that, and it'll save it over the top of that one, and it's going to create it. And what I want to show you here is, I'm just going to well, it's going to open. It's going to give me this question about. So on your client's. Minimise that just now. Minimise that just now. I've got that open for a reason, which I'll show you. Second, here's the PDF here. We'll double click it. And I think I'm having a little issue with my PDF because of the time it's taken to open. We'll try one more. I think I actually having an issue with my Adobe because of this recorder. We'll do, I'm going to pause for a second and open this image, so pause. Right, hopefully I managed to, but there were several copies open in the background that I had been previously using. So once your client gets his or her picture sent to them, this is what they'll get, a slideshow, if you like, of the images. It doesn't have to be a slideshow. If you press escape on their keyboard, they can go through on one page at a time. On page 3, if they just want to go up and down them as like a normal rate, they can then select, and you've got your watermark emblazoned across the front of them all. So they're not going to be printable, but they're going to be good enough for them to see, and your email will explain that these are low resolution. Another thing you need to see up here is printing has been disabled. It doesn't matter if they save this and give it a new name, this file. Printing is embedded now as disabled. I'm going to close this just now. Now if I just hover the mouse over here, actually it's quicker if I just right click and go into properties, and you'll see the file size, 9 images, the file size is 558 kilobytes. If we close that and now go into Photoshop, so one of the image, just one of the image that's in there. If we go to image size, there's a pixel dimension 51.3 megabytes. It's a big image. And if we take this in inches, you'll see it's 21 by 14 inches. So effectively what we've done, we've reduced that down to a very small file size, and we can send that away. Most folks' email will let them send 5 to 10 megabytes with no problem. I'm just going to close this. And you've reduced this to less than 500 megabytes, kilobytes, sorry. So hopefully it'll give you some idea of what you can do for your output. You can email that, you can put that in your Dropbox, send people a link to that, send them an email with attached to a group of people. This might be a wedding image, could be anything. All these files maybe just have numbers on them, number 1, number 2, number 3, all the way through number 9. And people can say, oh, I want picture number 6, and I want picture number 8, or whatever. So there you go. Told you this wouldn't take long. It's only been 20 minutes.